நீ தொடுமிடம் எல்லாம் மலர் சோலை தோல்விகள் ஏதும் உனக்கில்லை.
Dear comrades and friends, we are very happy to know that Voice of Public Sector is releasing its 100th video today. We congratulate the entire team, the entire leadership of GIA, South Zone and all our comrades who have played a very commendable role in releasing videos under the banner of Voice of the Public Sector. The Voice of Public Sector, which started its humble beginnings on 25th of August this year, is going to complete 100 videos today, and that is no ordinary feat for a middle class trade union. As all of us working in the public sector are aware, the public sector industry in general and public sector insurance industry has been performing admirably well even in an intensely competitive environment. But unfortunately, the media is not taking the message of truth to the people. There is a concerted campaign, both overt and covert, to defame and denigrate the public sector, saying that public sector is a drain on our resources. But then all of us are aware that the public sector institutions, particularly public sector insurance industry, they have been discharging their duties admirably well, while mobilizing huge resources for the economic and social development of the country. But this message of truth is unfortunately not being taken to the people. Unfortunately, in the age of neoliberal globalization, the media today, rather than becoming a spokesman for the people at large, it has become the mouthpiece of the government and the ruling party. So naturally, in the process, truth has become the natural casualty. But we are extremely happy that our comrades, they have taken up the responsibility of disseminating truth and information before the general public, sensitize them about what is truth, what is falsehood, and in the process they are trying to democratize public opinion. So while congratulating Voice of Public Sector for the fact that they are going to release their 100th video, we are also extremely happy and confident that they will continue to discharge these social responsibilities in the days to come. We thank each and everyone associated with this group and then wish them all the very best. Thank you, comrades.